Hello, my name's Mike, the Education Coordinator here at WGVU, and today for our few moments in science we are going to look at Newton's 3 laws of motion. We're going to concentrate on the first law of motion, which states that an object at rest remains at rest, or an object in motion remains in motion unless an outside force acts on it. And we're also going to look at Newton's third law of motion, which states for every action there is an opposite and equal reaction. And to help me demonstrate the first and the third law of motion, we're going to have WGVU General Manager Michael Walenta help me in the studio. So follow me and we'll show you those laws. So as I mentioned, I'm in the studio with Michael Walenta, our WGVU General Manager. And for Newton's first law of motion, that an object at rest remains at rest and an object in motion remains in motion unless there's an outside force. This object right now is at rest, and it will remain at rest until we're going to use the leaf blower, which is going to create the force. And at that point, it's going to lift Michael up off the floor on the board, which means there's no friction underneath the board and the floor, which is going to allow him to slide. All right? Newton's third law of motion then, for every action, there's an opposite and equal reaction. When Michael turns the air blower on, the thrust of that air going down underneath, the opposite reaction is what lifts the board up. So we're going to have Michael turn it on, and we're going to send Michael for a ride. Here we go. Ready? Yep. So that was a demonstration of Newton's first law and third law of motion, and I'd like to thank Michael for coming down and helping me with a few moments in science. And as you can see, he is safe. Everything is okay. Thank you for watching.